Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can turn on Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 for Highguard, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn both of these things on for Highguard easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu and then you're going to go into power options and then you're going to restart your computer while holding the left shift key on your keyboard. So hold the left shift key on your keyboard and click on restart while holding it. Once you do that, you're going to come here, you're going to go into troubleshoot and then advanced options. After that, you're going to go into UEFI firmware settings, and once you're in there, you're going to click on to restart them, and then it will restart you into your BIOS menu. You're going to go into settings here, and then you're going to go into MISC. Your BIOS may look different, and then you'll have either Intel Platform Trust Technology or AMD's Trusted Platform Module. You're going to turn those things on, so just enable those settings, and after that press F10 on your keyboard to restart your computer. Once your computer is done restarting, now we have just turned on TPM 2.0 and now we need to turn on Secure Boot. So just go back into the BIOS menu like I showed you by pressing the left shift key while clicking restart on here. And now you're going to go into boot, and once you go into boot, you're going to go into CSM support. You're going to make sure you enable CSM support here, and now you're going to go into Secure Boot then. And once you're in your Secure Boot, you're going to make sure you enable Secure Boot here. And once you do that, then you're going to go down into Secure Boot mode and you're going to make sure you set it as custom. Now you're going to go down on restore factory keys and you're going to restore your factory keys. And once you're done with that, you're going to press F10 on your keyboard to save and exit the BIOS menu. And when you do that, your computer will restart. You're going to come here, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write run, and then you're going to write MSN432. And then you'll see that your Secure Boot state will be saying on now and your TPM mode is also turned on. You can check it by opening up your start menu. You're going to write here run and then you're going to write here tpm.msc. And once you do that, it will show you that your TPM is turned on. As you can see, the TPM is ready for use. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to turn on your Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 for Highguard. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.